Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to tell you about operators in Python. So guys, let's begin. First of all guys, let's see what is an operator. Operators are used to perform operations on variables and values. So for example, so plus is the operator, and guys there are many type of operators like arithmetic operators, assignment operators, combination operators, and logic operators. So there are many type of operators. First of all guys, you're gonna see arithmetic operators. So you're gonna see plus, minus, uh, multiplication, division, modules, exponential, and floor division. So guys, first let's talk about this module. So now click on try it. You guys, you're gonna see 1. So this means if we divide these two, and then guys the remainder will be here. So guys, if we divide 5 with 2, then guys the remainder will be 1. So like this, this will just work. Then guys, now you can see components. So this means you can see 2 and 5, and guys you can see this is same as 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. 5 is the power of 2. Then guys, next you can see floor division. So guys, now if we divide 2 with 15 guys, then this will give you a point, but the floor division down the number 2 is nearest whole number. So the nearest whole number is 7. Now guys, let's talk about assignment operators. So this is plus. So guys, this is equal, this is plus or equal. So guys, you can see first let's talk about is plus or equal. So this means 5 is, so you can see x plus or equal 3. So this means x 5, in 5 we have to add 3. And guys, like this, you're gonna see minus or equal. So this means in x we have to subtract with 3. Then guys, next you can see plus or equal. So this is same as these two, and guys division, this is also this is same as this, and guys you can see and or equal. So this means 5, and guys you can see and. So and means, so 5. So this is same as this operators, module operator. Then guys, like this, you can see this operator with the eyes. Then guys, now let's talk about combination operators. So you can see equal. So this means equal, and guys this means not equal. This means greater than. This means less than, and this means greater than or equal to. So so here x is greater or equal to y, and guys you can see you just less than or equal to. So this means x is smaller or equal to y. Okay, you can guys next guys you can see logic operators. So guys you can see it by yourself. So I'm not going to tell you about every because it's going to take time. So guys go and see it by yourself. And then guys, if you don't understand about any operators here, then guys you can comment me. So guys, now thanks for watching. Bye bye.